Hello everyone, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. It's been a couple of months. I could not make any videos and upload any videos due to my busy schedule. So I'm so sorry for that. Since I could not entertain you all through my YouTube channel for a couple of months. But I promise you all that in the coming days I'll try to make more videos and will upload more videos. And in today's video, actually I'm making this video for my subscribers, for my viewers, to share my happiness, to greet my happiness to all my subscribers, to all my viewers, for your continuous support. And I'm so happy to inform you all that I have reached 10,000 subscribers. So it's all because of your support that I'm able to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to every one of you, and continue to support my YouTube channel in the days to come. Right now I'm here in my mom village, that is in Apong village, Kamjong district, Manipur. I'm here to come and pick up my uncle, and I'll be leaving right now. So thank you so much to every one of you once again. See you all in my next video. Have a nice day to each and every one of you. Thank you.